Hi, my name is James with the Contractor Licensing School, and today we're going over the process to get your contractor's license in the state of California. The first step is you have to meet the requirements in order to get your contractor's license. You have to have 4 years of experience in your specific trade, so 4 years of experience in electrical or in plumbing or general construction, whatever trade you're going for. Then you have to be 18 years or older, and you have to have a valid social security number or an ITIN number. If you meet all of those requirements, then you are good to get your contractor's license with the Contractor State Licensing Board. Once you do that, you have to set up a business entity. The state of California no longer allows you to get your contractor's license with your personal name. It doesn't really help when you have to advertise later anyway to get jobs. You know, if I just advertise James Diaz, it's like, well, what do I do? You know, but if I advertise James Diaz's plumbing, then it's like, okay, he's a plumber, you know. I need a plumber, so I'm gonna hire him. It makes more sense. So you have to have either a sole proprietorship or a corporation, so either a C corporation or an S corporation or a limited liability corporation or a general partnership. Those are all the different business entities that you can establish. Make a video in the description on all of those entities. Or there'll be something up here and it'll have a link to our videos explaining corporations, which one's best for construction, the different kind of business entities that you can have. So once you have the requirements to get your license and you have a business entity established, then you need to study to pass your law test and your trade test with the state of California. You have to pass both of those. And what we do for you, we are a contractor school, is we help you pass those tests. You can attend our schools in person, through one of our online programs, a live stream program, or a home study program. We get you all the books, all of the practice tests, all the videos, all the materials that you need to help you pass your law and your trade test with the state of California. Once you've studied, you turn in your application to the state of California. The application is a bunch of questions about you yourself, your business entity, how you prove your 4 years of experience. The way that you actually prove that is you start with a signature. You start by having someone you have worked with or worked for sign for you. If they're licensed, that's great. And if you're a part of our school, our program, we help you, walk you through that whole process of how to fill out the application to make sure all your I's are dotted and T's are crossed before you send it off to CSLB. So once you fill out your application, you mail it off to the state of California with a check, currently for $450. The prices can go up or down depending on the state. The CSLB receives your application and your check, obviously they cash the check, and then they start looking over your application. It takes them about 4 weeks, about a month to approve you. Once you're approved, you actually get to schedule your own test with PSI. They are the company that does all of the testing for the contractor's licenses in California. Once you apply for your test, you go take your test, and then you pass the law and trade exam. From there, you just have to get insurance. You have to have a surety bond, it's $25,000. What you pay is $100 to $200 a year, depending on your credit score. And then if you have employees, you have to have workers' compensation insurance. And you just turn in all of those things to CSLB, you wait another 3 to 4 weeks, and they will give you your actual license number in the mail. It'll be a metal card with your business name and your license number on there. If you would like more information, you can fill out a form in the description below, or you could always give us a call at the number on the screen.